This is also, it's beautiful, even though it's Marshall Command, but we were hoping for something more operational. Instead, it was built today on the 27th of July 2023. We are here on Kotkankatu, 7 Stickers B, and we're gonna go to the second site soon. It was built in 1927, now it's in 1994, and the temperature is 682. 6 floors. They should have been Swedish also.
Yeah.
The base vacated next year, 2024. The elevator to 95 years old in 2022, and the motion will be 30 years old in the next year, 2024. It's also here in Alpihari, Alpheden, Helsinki, Warsaw, and Finland, close to Kone and Hell.
Inspected by Kotkankatu, maintained by Kone.
Yeah. The color buttons are
Yeah, it's just basic.
the same, yeah. But sometimes sometimes that logo is above that button. Yeah, it was above it. For this time it's a bit more common that it's below it, but here it's above it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's